Welcome to MeasureSquare Mobile for Android phone tutorials. In this video series, we will show you how to get started and measuring in no time. Let's start with downloading and registering the software. Step 1. Locate and open the Google Play Store. Type MeasureSquare Mobile in the search bar at the top of your screen. Step 2. Select the MeasureSquare mobile application and tap on Install. Step 3. Once the application is downloaded, open the MeasureSquare mobile application. If you already have your MeasureSquare account, please sign in. If you do not have a MeasureSquare ID, select Create Account. Here you can register by entering your information. Then you can start a 2-week free trial with full functionality. Homescreen Introduction. When you first open up the application, you will meet the landing screen. Here is where all of your diagrams will appear as you create them. Let's look at the icons starting at the top left. We have our account information icon. Here you can find your account details, including your email address, license information, and the cloud launch icon. In the upper right, we have the search icon to search for past diagrams. The sorting icon to stay organized, followed by the sync icon. Sync is very important. This will enable you to back up your diagrams to the MeasureSquare cloud, where you can easily share, sync, or download to a new device. At the bottom right, we have a new diagram icon, where you can type in the name of your diagram. Tap the plus icon to start and enter the name of the diagram. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to watch more videos like this. Happy measuring!